Audio Jungle.
Hello students, welcome to RK Knowledge channel. Here is Prem sir from RK classes for you 10th standard mathematics 1. As per Maharashtra textbook, as per Maharashtra board, chapter number 2 is quadratic equation. In that we are solving practice set 2.3. It is based on completing square method. So today we are taking question number 4. Question number 4 is 9y square minus 12y plus 2 is equal to 0. In solution we will consider once more the equation 9y square minus 12y plus 2 is equal to 0 and divide whole equation by 9. So first term divide by 9, second term divide by 9, third term divide by 9, fourth term divide by 9. After dividing 9 cancel, and here second term cancel by 3, 4 upon 3, and last term 0 upon 9 is 0. So y square minus 4 upon 3y minus 2 upon 9 is equal to 0. This term, the red box term, is not suitable for us. So at the place of that term we are going to assume k. Okay. So y square minus 4 upon 3y is equal plus k is equal to, we are assuming y minus a whole square. So k we will find in such a way that it should become complete square of some term. So students, let's expand the second bracket. A minus b whole square formula, y square minus 2ay plus a square. Now by comparing, first term is exactly equal to first term, so no need to consider. Second term minus 4 upon 5y is equal to minus 2ay. So first of all take this, minus 2ay is equal to minus 4 upon 5y. Next, third term k is equal to third term a square. So second part we are showing k is equal to a square. Let's solve the first part. Minus will get cancelled with minus. Y will get cancelled with y. We are remaining with 2a is equal to 4 upon 3. 2 transfer other side, it will get divided. Now cancel 4 by 2. If you are cancelling 4 by 2, you will get upside 2. 2 to the 4 means upside you will get 2 and downside 3. That means 2 upon 3. Now this value substitute here, k is equal to 2 upon 3 square. 2 upon 3 square is 4 upon 9. So the perfect value of k we got 4 upon 9. Now this 4 upon 9 we will use in original question. Original question was y square minus 4 upon 3y plus 2 upon 9. 2 upon 9 is not suitable. So transfer it right hand side. It will become minus. Other side it will become minus. Now add our k value both side. K value was 4 upon 9. So we are adding 4 upon 9 left hand side as well as right hand side 4 upon 9. Now check, the left hand side became whole square of y minus 2 upon 3. Correct? How you are writing? Y square root you have to take. And middle sign you have to take. Minus, minus. And square root of 4 upon 9 will be 2 upon 3. Correct? This way we got. Second side we will do cross multiplication on the next page. Let's solve. Here no need of cross multiplication. Take 9 base common. So upside minus 2 plus 4. Minus 2 plus 4 will give you 2 upon 9. Take square root. At the time of taking square root, left hand side square remove and plus or minus sign you have to write. 2 square root is root 2 and 9 square root is 3. On next page we are copying the same step. Now minus 2 upon 3 will be transferred right hand side, it will become plus 2 upon 3. And here 3 base is common, so upside 2 plus or minus root 2. First answer we will show only with plus sign and second answer we will show only with minus sign. This way these are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Correct, students? Now question number 5. Question number 5 is 2y square plus 9y plus 10 is equal to 0. To solve we will divide by 2. Y square coefficient is 2, therefore the equation 2y square plus 9y plus 10 is equal to 0. We will divide each and every term by 2. So first term we are dividing by 2. Then second term we are dividing by 2. Third term divide by 2. And don't forget to divide fourth term also. Fourth term divided by 2. Now check, first term 2 cancel. Third term 2 5s are 10. So y square plus 9 upon 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Here 5 is not suitable. So we will find a suitable value k in place of 5. To find suitable value we will write y square plus 9 upon 2y and instead of 5 we will write k. K is such a way that it will be whole square, complete square of y plus a whole square. Now the second bracket we are going to expand. Second bracket we will expand with the formula a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square formula we are going to use y square plus 2ay plus a square. The expansion of bracket is got. Now by comparing first term with first term, they are exactly same, no need to consider. Second term is equal to second term. Now they are different, so consider them one side. 2ay is equal to 9 upon 2y. And secondly, third term is equal to third term. So consider it second side, k is equal to a square. Now solve first part. Y cancel, just y getting cancelled, so we remain with 2a is equal to 9 upon 2. Now transfer to other side, 2 will get divided, so a value is 9 upon 2 to the 4. This value substitute here, k is equal to 9 upon 4 whole square. 9 square is 81 and 4 square is 16. Therefore k is equal to 81 upon 16. Now consider the original question. Original question 5 is not suitable to us. 5 we are going to transfer right hand side. So it will become minus 5 after transfer. Now we will join the suitable term 81 upon 16 both side. 81 upon 16 we jointed left hand side as well as right hand side. Now the first left hand side will get square of y plus 9 upon 4. And other side we will do cross multiplication. To write bracket, the style is first term is square root, second term only sign and third term square root. Correct? Now same thing we are copying on the next page. Y plus 9 upon 4 whole square is equal to minus 5 plus 81 upon 16. Here no change, this side cross multiplication. 16 5s are 80. Plus 81 upon 16. 81 minus 80 is 1. 1 upon 16. Take square root. At the time of taking square root, plus or minus 1 square root is 1. 16 square root is 4. And left hand side square is removed. Now whatever we got, we are copying on next page. Now my plus 9 upon 4 will become 9 minus 9 upon 4. Transfer, it will become minus 9 upon 4. 4 is base common. So minus 9 plus or minus 1. One answer we will consider with only plus sign, middle sign plus, and second answer we will consider with minus sign, middle sign minus. Now solve carefully. Here first answer is minus 8 upon 4. Minus 9 plus 1 is minus 8 upon 4. And other side y is equal to Minus 9 minus 1 is minus 10 upon 4. Solve the first part, you will get minus 2, and second part you will get cancel by 2, you will get minus 5 upon 2. Cancel by 2, you will get minus 5 upon 2. So this way we got the root of the equation. Answer of this question is given wrong in textbook. Now question number 6. 5x square minus 4x minus 7 is equal to 0. Here students, dividing the equation by 5, divide each and every term by 5. So first term divide by 5, second term divide by 5, third term divide by 5, and don't forget to divide fourth term also. Fourth term divided by 5. Here 9 is printing mistake, it will be 5. After dividing, 5 cancel, x square minus 4 upon 5x minus 7 upon 5 is equal to 0. Minus 7 upon 5 is not suitable for us. So let's assume a suitable value at place of minus 7 upon 5, that is k. So x square minus 4 upon 5x plus k is equal to x minus a bracket whole square. Now the bracket we will open with a minus b whole square formula. So according to formula it will become x square minus 2ax plus a square. Now compare. Student, mind here, in bracket, if the question is having second sign minus, so bracket will have minus, and if question is having second sign plus, then bracket will also have plus. Consider the yellow box. Minus 2ax is equal to minus 4 upon 5x. Minus minus we cancel directly. Second part, k is equal to a square. Now students, here x getting cancelled. Now we are remaining with 2a is equal to 4 upon 5. 2 you transfer other side, that is 2 will come downside. Cut 4 by 2, upside you will get 2, downside 5. That means 2 upon 5. Now 2 upon 5 we are substituting here, k is equal to 2 upon 5 whole square. 2 upon 5 square is 4 upon 25. Now this k value we will substitute in original question. So we are considering original question. Original question is x square minus 4 upon 5x minus 7 upon 5 is equal to 0. Both sides we added 4 upon 25. Now check this side 4 upon 25 and that side also 4 upon 25 is added. And here student 7 upon 5 is multiplied and divided by 5. Now x square root is x, middle sign is minus, so minus, and 4 upon 25 square is 2 upon 5. Other side base 25 became, both are 25, so 25 base we will take common. If you will take base 25 common, then it will become 35 plus 4 upon 25. Now carefully take square root. Square is removed and you have to write plus or minus sign. Root of 39 is not there, so root 39, 25 root is 5. Now last page, minus 2 upon 5 we will transfer other side, it will become plus 2 upon 5. Now take base common. Base if you are taking 5 common, so upside 2 plus or minus root 39. One answer you will write in only plus sign and other answer you will write only in minus sign. This way we got the two roots of given quadratic equation. Hope you people understood. Today 3 nice questions we completed. Share this video to your friends, subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching the video.